Okay, here we go. First of all, I'm going to be removing the carry handle. All it is a screw off. Mag out. The mag is released. It is right behind the mag. Okay, now if you want to turn, I remembered. If you want to turn this into a mid cap, it's a high cap right now. That's how they came. All this is a M16 Vietnam type mag. So you can replace this high cap with a mid cap and take it to Milsim events. I was going to do this, but never got around to it. If you can find more of these, that'd be even better. You just replace it with the Vietnam mid cap with the slant on the bottom, and this is and you just unscrew that little screw down there, and you can pull that little high cap out and drop a mid cap in there. Okay. First of all, on the disassembly, literally, that is the only pin holding this whole thing together. So that's why it's really easy to take apart. Just rip it out. See? The little butt pad comes off. And I'm going to reach in there and I'm going to pull out the battery. I don't think I asked if you wanted this or not. I'm gonna see about that. Okay, now it's all friction. There's a little pin system inside, little grooves. Hold on just a second. All you're gonna do is place your hand on the bipod and pull on the barrel, and it usually will pop right off. So. Hold on a sec. I hate this part. Okay, I'm just going to take my knife and pop off the back end.
Odors cat lovers hate, and with great freshness that smells just right.
Hey, the hammer.
Winner gets $2 million.
Okay. You're going to use if it's being stubborn, just use a little hammer. And you're just going to tap right up here, because that's the upper receiver. Okay. See how it's separated? Now it's just sliding around. So now, hopefully, yep, okay, there it is. Okay, see these two little tongues? They've got to sit right in those two little holes, right in there. Yeah, that's what's really holding it all together. Hop out, just slides right out. As you can see, it doesn't go the full length. It only goes, it's missing like a foot. That's why I said the 710 is the barrel you need. Next, all you're going to do is unscrew the barrel, because there's no screws or anything holding it in. It's just like that. And then I'm going to slide the inner barrel back in the outer barrel. I'm going to glue that on, or I'm going to tape that there so it doesn't damage the inner barrel. And this is pretty much the 3 pieces it's going to be shipped in with the bipod folded. So that way the package is less. Okay.